The Shchedryk UAV, developed by Ukrainian innovators, sets a new standard in reconnaissance and surveillance. Equipped with silent electric engines, this cutting-edge drone operates seamlessly in extreme weather conditions and withstands electronic warfare interference. Its resilience and advanced stealth capabilities make it a pivotal asset in modern military operations. Designed to perform in challenging environments, the Shchedryk UAV ensures reliable performance in harsh weather, from strong winds to extreme temperatures. Its high-tech construction includes a powerful battery system for extended missions and advanced optical technologies, enabling operations at altitudes inaccessible to most enemy air defenses. The UAV's silent engines significantly reduce the likelihood of detection by enemy radar, enhancing the secrecy of forward position operations. Additionally, its high resistance to electronic interference allows effective performance even under active enemy jamming. This robust design makes the Shchedryk UAV an indispensable tool for gathering intelligence in hard-to-reach and heavily contested areas. As a significant step forward in UAV development, the Shchedryk complex embodies innovation, stealth, and reliability. It not only meets current operational demands but also lays the foundation for future advancements in unmanned reconnaissance systems, reinforcing its role as a game-changer in modern warfare.